Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hail?
Canada, I hung on the Taiwan, the place and all lights are strong. We're going hot for city lights, it's still a fire day. The fall of lights on Canada, we stand on California. God take the line, going out the way. Oh, Canada, we stand on God's day. Oh, Canada, we stand on God's day.
You know, I bet Luke Perry could do that. He is good at everything. He is so dreamy. This better work. I'd rather just have the hiccups.
This one's a Cyberman, and he's made out of metal. He used to be human. He's got a human brain inside, but he doesn't really have anything. He's got an emotional inhibitor. And this one's Jack. He's Captain Jack Harkness, and he's wearing a wool suit, but it's not actually wool because he's the actor's allergic to wool. And this was in his World War II captain's outfit. And
Okay,
this
Janice,
is the master.
Janice, it's at 10 seconds.
But this is the master
You're
when he's
done.
dressed as Professor
Janice,
Yana.
you're done. How are those hiccups?